Hello, everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So, welcome back to another interesting vlog. So, now you must be wondering where the hell I am. This is not the normal scene what you see when I start my vlog. Yeah, it's a different place, man. So, currently, I'm at my hometown, and this is my home. Yeah, here you can see my Yamaha FC, which was at Mumbai. So I brought this back to Kerala because I bought a new KTM 390 Adventure at Mumbai. So this Yamaha FC I'm going to keep at my hometown. So when I visit my hometown, I can go for a ride. So today is the first ride I'm going, and this is the first vlog from hometown. So we are going to visit a place called Nelliyampathi, which is located at Western Ghats, and this is approximate around 75 kilometers from home. And major attractions are mist-covered mountains, dense forest, waterfalls, big valleys, viewpoints, and maybe if you are lucky, we can see some wild animals as well. By the way, my college comes on this way. So I'm passing through my college. On the left side, what you see, that is my college campus where I did 5 years of education. So it's a great nostalgic feelings, man. The smell of masala dosa from the canteen and walking with friends and roaming around here. Yeah, this is my college gate. It's closed actually, otherwise I could have gone inside. This also makes you realize how quickly time flies. So, back in that time when I was at college, did I ever think that I will be passing through this for a motor vlog 25 years down the line? No way. At that time, even I don't know what is motor vlogging, what is YouTube, so no idea. So here we had a big campus and we had a helipad also. So most of the VIPs like Prime Minister, Chief Minister, they come here and they land here and take the road from this our college. Now I am on National Highway 544 from Kochi to Salem. That road. Can you see a pink colored bus? So that's an interesting color. That is a private bus. So in Kerala we do have a lot of private bus operators. Okay. So because of that, the government bus is called as KSRTC, Kerala State Road Transport Corporation. So that they are running under loss actually. So they are almost bankrupted. So this is the highway. If you go straight, it will take you to Coimbatore, Salem, which is in Tamil Nadu. And if you go back, it will take you to Kochi, Trivandrum, and Kanyakumari, which is the most southernmost tip of India. Yeah, the rain started, so I was expecting the rain. So since the monsoon season is still going on, so yeah, so since I don't have the dual channel ABS, I don't ride more on rain. I decided to stop it. Okay, so I'm finding a place. Yep. Yes. So yeah, so this guy is a lottery agent who is selling the lottery. So lottery is very popular in Kerala. See this blue color bridge. This is not a railway overbridge. So there is a water flow on the top of the bridge. There are many Instagram reels. You can see this bridge actually. It's a nice one. Yeah. So on the way there is a tunnel which is the highlight of this road. So this tunnel is called Hudan tunnel. Earlier there was a lot of traffic jam. So it's around 4 to 6 hours people wait here to pass this Kudiran hill. So this Kudiran tunnel is South India's largest, I would say longest 6-line tunnel, and the length of this tunnel is almost 1 kilometer, 950 meters exactly. And you can see there are diversion to the next track. So in case if there are any traffic accidents, so they use that diversion to divert the traffic. So yeah, it's interesting scene. Enjoy the tunnel. Yeah, so after the tunnel, I took the diversion. So you can see how the landscape changed after that. Both sides you can see the greenery. I took a break for breakfast, nice dosha and chai. Then I continued my journey. Yeah, this is the typical rural landscape of Kerala. So let's enjoy the greenery. Did you notice what that guy is carrying on his scooter? I'm really worried to see that. Oops! I thought it hit the bus. Oh man, it's a crazy guy. So on the way to Nelliyampathi, there is another tourist attraction called Potundi Dam. So these are the steps towards the dam, and here the top view of the dam. I spent around 10-15 minutes at the dam, then again started my journey. So, so before entering to the forest area, there is a forest check post, and we need to provide some personal details like the vehicle number, and if you are staying there, you have to share the details of the hotel, and also they will guide you. On what time you need to come back, and if there are any landslide or anything happens, any accident happens, so they will give you some instructions and safety tips. Okay, so yeah, so I'm reaching the check post, and yeah, here I have to stop and give some details. Yeah, let me do that first. Yeah, after sharing all details, I resumed my journey, and I have got some tips from the forest guard. So they told me go very slowly, be careful. There could be elephants on the way, especially at the turning. You need to be very careful, and also there are mist on the way, so visibility is very less. Okay, so there are some waterfalls which you can see because of this rainy seasons. It's nice waterfalls you can see. And yeah, this is another look of the Potundi Dam from the top. So yeah, and as they mentioned, the mist has come. It's nice to see this mist. There are a lot of tourists over here. So he's asking me, am I alone or with any other group or with someone? So I told I am alone. So this is the viewing deck. Here you can see the view, but at this time, it's because of the mist, you won't be able to see anything. Yeah, I kept riding. It's great experience to ride on this mist, but you need to take care of a couple of things. First, you maintain your speed because it's low visibility. You won't be able to see the vehicle come from the other side. Make sure you put the headlight on, or if you have hazard light, you can keep it on. The temperature is nice actually. I would say it will be around between 22 to 24. So it's a great experience to ride on this mist. Yeah, after some times I reached the tea plantation. You can see how beautiful it is, the tea plantation at both sides, and you are riding through that. It's a great experience, man. I don't know how I can explain it. Yeah, I'm enjoying it. Yeah, so here there is a map which tell you the different tourist attraction and the routes to reach the spot. Yeah, spent 5 minutes on that, and I'm heading towards my next spot. Yeah, the fog is still there, so I'm enjoying it. Now you can see the road is becomes narrow. Oh wow, what a great view, man! I think it's a great scene for a reel, Instagram reels. Yeah, definitely I will create a reel from this view. It's nice, man. Great feel to ride here. Yeah, just now I mentioned about the narrow road. So here this is the problem with the narrow road. Yeah, this is another tourist activity. You can see the 4x4 jeeps, so they will take you to inside the forest. The off-road actually only this kind of jeep can go there. So they will charge 1700 for 7 people. You will be able to see, if you are lucky, you will see wild animals and beautiful landscape you can see. I didn't try that because I was alone, so and I had no time also. I clicked couple of photos also. I like the color of those jeeps and the way those are parked over there. It's nice. So this is the entrance to another viewpoint. So here also we have to provide all the details. So let me do that.
വണ്ടിയുടെ പേര് നമ്പർ എഴുതിയാൽ മതി.
പേര് വണ്ടി നമ്പർ ഫോൺ നമ്പർ ടൈം.
Yeah, now what you see is the coffee plantation. I am riding through the coffee plantation. Earlier we had seen the tea plantation. Now what you see at both sides of the roads are those coffee plants. It's interesting, guys, and it's a nice ambience through this mist. Yeah, this is the Cedar Kund viewpoint, but today it's not a good day for a great view. It's covered by mist, but still you will be able to see a little bit of the valley. Yeah, sorry guys, it's not a great day for the view. Yeah, after Siddharkund viewpoint I decided to return. So while coming back also I got this mist on the way. It's nice to ride through the mist. Yeah, so I'm almost reaching home after a long ride. So it brings you smile, cheers, and a lot of happiness when you reach home back safely after a long ride. You know, so everything went well, and you are back to home safely. That's a nice experience. So, and my bike also didn't give any trouble. So, thank God. So, I have reached home safely. If you like the video, please like it, share it, and subscribe. Thanks everyone for watching.